viewers, welcome to my channel, and this video is all about Jarvis, an artificial system through which we can control our laptop or any other system which have software in it. Well, yes, it's possible. While some years ago it was not, but because of the powerful tools like Python, some frameworks of Python, and some speech recognition libraries, also with the artificial intelligence technology, it's possible now. Yeah. So let me introduce first. You must be having one question. What is Jarvis? So Jarvis is an AI. So it itself is an AI, which we can say an artificial intelligence and a supporting character for Iron Man in Marvel series. So it was a normal character, which was it was a kind of a illusion on in one of the movie you must have watched, Avengers and Iron Man. It was a kind of a imagination that a software which can help a person to do his systemic task automatically. But now it's possible. I'll show you the Jarvis which I've created in my laptop. So I'll take you through my Visual Studio Code. Well, it's an editor which I use to do some coding. So these are my outputs. Let's clear the screen and let me show you the coding which I have done here. So this is the coding. So this code already which I have created is done in Python. Well, I teach you Python. If you are interested after this video, do let me know through comments. So you can comment and I'll read your comment, and will going to, based upon your comment and your requirements, I'm definitely going to create a series of Python and artificial intelligence. Well, that's future. Let's focus on the present. So what we are going to do is we are going to see a demo of Jarvis, a live artificial intelligence system, or we can say that it's an AI system which can take our command as an input, a voice command as an input, and will control the system as its output. So it's quite easy and quite impressive. Let me just show you the demo in practical way. So I've clicked on my run button to show you live demo. So you can see I've clicked on the run button and now the pages are loading. The internal, see, Jarvis started. See, my Jarvis asked my question. So now our Jarvis is going to open calculator for me automatically. Thank you, Jarvis. Opening calculator automatically. Now help me to open YouTube for me, guys. So guys, now Jarvis will help me to open YouTube. Oh, I think Jarvis has heard a wrong command. Jarvis, help me to open YouTube. Well, okay. You can see now it will open it in a new browser. So it's loading. And here we go. After giving a command, Jarvis has opened a new instance of YouTube in his browser. Well, without any interaction, the browser has done for me. And you can see that now this page for which I was requesting for is opened automatically. And now it will load based upon your internet connection. So in my area, I think the internet connection was slow. That's why it opened slow late. But don't worry, it will be fast for you guys. And also, it's not like that you have to have a good internet, but you must have a good processor, because Jarvis will work only on good processor as per this system which I have created. But in future, I think I am going to create some code which can execute on some less configuration laptop as well. So let's close it. Now it's time to open Google Jarvis. So you can see my Jarvis is in this name. Now it started recognizing. It will convert my voice into text. So I've used a framework called speech to text. Speech to text do convert a voice command to text command. Jarvis helps me to open Google. You see? It have understood my command, converted it in the backend system, and now open a normal instance which I have requested Jarvis in my browser. So you can see, as compared to the first instance, the loading system is now getting automatically fast. So that's the power of machine learning. So what machine learning do? It takes our old model and like as soon as we make that model learn about new things, it gets more and more strong and more powerful. I'll teach you about machine learning and artificial intelligence in my other playlist. But do let me know if you require the tutorials of machine learning, artificial intelligence and cloud computing. I will definitely going to make a video series on those parts, and I'm going to teach you what exactly these technologies are. So let's close the instance and do something more interesting. Now you must have thought that this Jarvis is so dumb. It's only doing some opening small websites, like opening, if I'm requesting it to open kind of a YouTube or something like Google, so it's like very boring. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do something more interesting. And guess what? Yes, you guessed it correctly. We are going to do interesting things, and I think even if you have guessed correctly, then yes, we are going to log into Facebook automatically without our interaction. Let's go and see. See? Now Jarvis took my command, and now what Jarvis means my artificial intelligence system is going to do is going to take my command and take my credentials from my cloud, which I have connected from the backend API, and open a new instance of Chrome browser, which you can see a Chrome browser is controlled by automated test software, and now it will load a Facebook page, normal Facebook page, where it will just load a basic facebook.com website, and then what it will going to do is it will automatically log in without my interaction. So think in an unlimited think in that way. If I want to do some more things, like after login, if I want that my Jarvis have like message to some particular person in a particular manner, like without pressing keyboard and mouse, without having interaction with keyboard and mouse, imagine that way. So if we imagine that way, there is no limit of creating Jarvis in that way. Well, my task is to create Jarvis in that much level, but I started this instance so that you guys also learn my project, and also I'm going to open source my code so that you can take my code and use it for yourself. So that is how I'm going to share my learning so that you can also learn and create your own Jarvis, and also you can make whatever you want. Now you can see I've just removed my mouse away from that box, and you will see the magic happen. My login name, whatever name or number is automatically loaded, and my password is also automatically loaded in that, and the login button is clicked automatically without interaction of keyboard. Now what is going to happen is it will log into my Facebook. Now you see, I think the page which is going to load right now will be my home page. So let's see, the page is still loading, and you can see guys, This page is loaded and it's my home page. So let's close it. Well, I closed the instance. Now let's focus on something more interesting, like searching about someone in our favorite encyclopedia. You guessed it correct again. Yes, Wikipedia. So let's do it. So let's search about Shah Rukh Khan Wikipedia. I know the command it was different because I've used the Wikipedia word twice, so it created some collaboration issues, but you don't have to worry. The code which I'm going to upload will be more like I will improve the code and then only I will open source. Good night. Hi, I am Jarvis 2.0, 35 Jarvis 47C, memorize how they are locked. So you can see guys, now it's loading. So if I ask this Jarvis about interesting thing, so okay, Shah Rukh Khan Wikipedia. Shah Rukh Khan Wikipedia. Now, my Jarvis is giving details which I requested for from Wikipedia. You can see how backend system. I'll teach you guys how exactly the backend system works. So, well, it's the time to say goodbye to Jarvis because there are so many features, but this video is going lengthy now. I'll teach you as per your requirement. So, goodbye Jarvis. I said goodbye Jarvis. I think Jarvis is feeling rude. See? So now my Jarvis have automatically stopped. So this is what I'm having a plan for. And also in the future, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more thing in it, like asking about the weather, calculating some calculations for me, searching more in like in this video I was only just open Google for me, but in future I'm going to create something like searching something in Google for me or searching something in YouTube for me. So it will be more and more advanced. But the thing is that this totally depends on you guys. If you guys give a response to me that you like this thing, then please comment below. Let me know that you have interest and like the video and support me so that I can create a good version of Jarvis and show you guys that we can do more better. So if you like the video, like it, subscribe my channel, and thank you that our channel are now growing and now our channel is having 10k subscribers. So thank you so much, and also keep supporting us and have a great day.